Hello everyone, I figured I'd make this video and show you my recent trip to IKEA. And if anyone who watches this actually knows me, you know how much I love IKEA. And I haven't been in many months, maybe even a year. So I live about 45 minutes away from an IKEA in Stoughton, Massachusetts. I live in Rhode Island, but my local IKEA is in Stoughton, only a 45-minute ride, and they had lots of new awesome things, so take a look. Of course, we had to make our usual stop at the cafeteria and have some Swedish meatballs. I actually had the lemon cod, it was really good. And then we noticed how earth-friendly IKEA is. They have a green roof and they do composting with the leftovers with whatever they can. So I'm always impressed by them.
IKEA's trying to save the planet. That's amazing.
My daughter's looking for her item in the big warehouse. We didn't actually see it in the showroom, but I'm sure it was there. We probably just missed it. Now we found where it is.
Aisle 28, bin 32.
Let's go. Lead the way, Isabel. Oh boy. I'm gonna do a patio. Big grass. Final check, make sure we want everything. How much are those, Isabel?
These towels? 99 cents.
Wow.
Steal. Not steal. Purchase.
Purchase.
A steal of a purse.
Swedish fish are $7.99. Way more than the towel. But way tastier than the towel.
Okay, so are you gonna get me these sheets?
Yes.
Okay.
That
so
Duveau
these
cover,
are the
yes.
things you're getting, and then I'm gonna get these things.
Show the that cover how beautiful it is. It's like a gingham, full queen
Little
Duveau.
flowers.
Little flowers for $44.99.
Cute.
Okay, let's go pay.
Let's go.
We just checked out. We got her dresser and a few other fun things, and now she's here at the Bistro Cafe. And of course, this is another must. We always have to stop and get either some Swedish meatballs to go, or sometimes we buy a hot dog. Doesn't look like that part of the cafe is open. there's the infamous meatballs, some gravy, some salmon, and our shopping is complete.
Salmon, gravy, chocolate cookies, and
The
a
infamous
special treat for the ride up to Boston. Cinnamon bun.
Oh my gosh. That is the finale.
Let's go.